my name is Noah, and today we're going to be attempting to try and grow our own bell peppers. So here's a bell pepper here with all seeds on, and we've ate this, so they look like that if you want to see like half of it, but a lot of it we ate. So we're going to be putting two of these seeds, I'll let you see it, two of these tiny seeds, if you can see, in one of these things. One there. Okay, look like one scattered all. So that one's done. I'm going to do them like that. I'll meet you guys after when we put all the seeds in each one. I'll see you guys for now. Bye. I'm going to put these in the greenhouse. I'm not going to put a propagator on them. So, and then we're going to have to water them, and that should be okay. So I'm going to see you guys down at the greenhouse. Bye. Guys, and here are the bell peppers, if you can see there. These here are cucumbers, and these ones are here are sunflowers. So I'm going to water these ones. A new video. If you didn't like me to do like a plant, or like a plant that you need to grow, just tell me down in the comments below. And like and subscribe if you want to do a video about my dog for next week. So I'll see you guys for now. Bye.